Hello, myself Josna Sarode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my topic is the types of inventory for subject operation management. What is the inventory? The term inventory means any stock of direct or indirect materials, stocks in order to meet the expected and unexpected demand in the future. Inventory is a stock of materials used to satisfy customer demands or support the production of goods or services. Types of inventory. Raw material. These are the material or goods purchased by the manufacturer. The manufacturer process is applied to the raw material to produce desired finished goods. Finished goods or for someone can be raw materials for someone. The business importance of raw material as an inventory is mainly to protect any interruption in production planning. Other reason can be availing price discount on a bulk purchase, guard against market shortage situation, etc. Example: wood is used to make a wooden plank. Wooden plank is a raw material for a furniture manufacturer. Work in progress. These are the partly processed raw materials lying on the production floor. They may or may not be sellable. These are also called semi-finished goods. It is an unavoidable inventory which will be created in almost any manufacturing business. This level of the inventory should be kept as low as possible, since a lot of money is the block over here, which otherwise can be used to achieve better returns. Spending of the manufacturing process, proper production planning, customer and supplier system integration, etc. can diminish the levels of work in progress. Lean management considers it as a waste. Example: manufacturer has started making furniture, but work is still incomplete. Polishing, cutting, painting, so that's said to be WIP, means work in progress. Next point is a finished goods. These are the final products after manufacturing process and raw material. They are sold in the market. Finished product or end items. There are two kinds of manufacturing industry. One where the product is first manufactured and then sold. Second where the order is received first and then it is a manufacturer as per specification. In the first one, it is an inevitable to keep finished goods inventory, whereas it can be avoided in the second one. Example: furniture is ready but it not sold. Replacement part inventory. Maintenance parts means to replace other parts in machinery or equipments, either the company's own or that of its customer. Supplies inventory. Part or material used to support the production process but not usually a component of the product. Transportation pipeline inventory. Items that are in the distribution system but are in the process of being shipped from suppliers or to customers. Example: an art store orders and pay for 14 tins of a popular pencil set. The tins are en route for the suppliers and therefore in transit. Manufacturing inventory is typically classified into raw material, finished product, component parts, supplies, and work in progress. In service, inventory generally refers to the tangible goods to be sold and the supplies necessary to administer the service. Thank you.